door trims with a new speaker installed, recessed into the carpets, and then they extruded on the other side with the door table. We've got this little handy little tub that slots in there. For doing the dishes. Spin it into a bit of uni soundtrack there. Got a little tap that literally gives water on the water tank on the drawers. It goes feeds back into the drawers. Light switches there for the just have a little hinging LED light bars to give us some light in the drawers. Temporarily got a 12-volt TV mounted there that we can swing around to wherever we want, but eventually be in the inside going. Across the drawer system from Black Widow, we're running the GU top shelf to give us a bit more room, even though it's a GQ. There's a little bit more space, storage space above the fridge, of which I've also got a 1000-watt converter mounted up the top there. Give me mains power when I want it. Fridge, nice handy slide on top of the drawers there. Back in, around on this side, we've done the same. We've colour matched the door trims, refreshed them. We'll recess the speaker here, so then the barn door table can still fold up. The aftermarket speakers. Same deal, another bigger LED light bar on this window. They're all removable, they're all just magnets on there. Magnets on a hinge. Nice little setup for camping.